Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm on a roof in Manassas, Virginia, and the homeowner has a leak right in this area here over to about here. It's about a 6-foot section. And what's happening is the water is leaking in between the gutter and the wood fascia. Now, if you look at the roof really carefully, you'll see how the shingles are curling up. So what happens is when the water comes down the roof, the water goes up and then it goes over and underneath the shingles, and the water seeping in between the wood fascia and the gutter. So the only way to resolve this problem is we have to take this gutter off, lower the wood fascia about an inch, and then the new gutter would be screwed into place, and then the shingles will lay at the same level as the rest of the roof. So when the water comes down the roof, the water will go directly into the gutter and not curl behind the gutter. Also, the gutter here is clogged, the downspout right here, so that's going to cause water to overflow over the front, but also that water will go over the back, and the water will settle in between the exterior wall and the drywall inside. So the gutter definitely needs to be cleaned as well. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in gutter replacement, roof replacement, and roof repair. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.